How to fix Roblox website not loading or working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the Roblox website back up and running in Chrome. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. At this point, tap on Clear Browsing Data. Let me show you. In the next step, set the time range to all time and make sure cookies and site data and cached images and files are both checked. From there, tap on Clear Data to wipe everything clean. Once done, go back and try loading Roblox.com again to see if it's working. From here, if the website is still not loading, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. At this stage, if switching connections didn't help, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Connections. From there, toggle off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. Reconnect to your network and try loading the Roblox website again. Here's an important note. If Roblox is loading on other devices but not on yours, the issue may be specific to your browser. Try clearing Chrome's data entirely by going to your Android settings, tapping on Apps, finding Chrome, and tapping on Clear Data. Then reopen Chrome and try again, and that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Roblox website not loading, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.